Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable One. How you guys doing? I hope you are fine. I am fine too. Today I'm going to make hibiscus extract where we can use it for our formulation. You can use it to make face cream, body cream, lotion, and also you can use it for serums. This is hibiscus flower that I want to use. I won't use much. I'll just make a little because I still have some left over. Yes, use bottle, add the hibiscus flower to it. Just as I said, I don't want to make much. I just want to make a little. So after adding your hibiscus flower into your bottle or into your container, use a container that has cover. So after adding your glycerin, you can cover it. Now I'm adding glycerin, using glycerin to make it. Some people do use alcohol. I don't want to use alcohol. I rather use vegetable glycerin because alcohol do dry on the body. So that is why I choose to use vegetable glycerin. You add your preservative. You cover it very well and keep it in a room temperature for 2 weeks. Yes, keep it for 2 weeks. And while every two days or 3 days you shake the bottle. Make sure you shake the bottle. Okay, my 2 weeks is over, so I want to filter it now. That is what I'm doing. So please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so I'm just filtering my extract now. Okay, turn on your notification bell because we have so many that will be coming our way. Alright, we have so many that we will learn here. Yes, so squeeze all your extract away from whatever you use to filter your distance. Squeeze it out. Cheap clothes. So once again, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so now I want to bottle it. Look for a container that has cover, a bottle that has cover where you can turn your extract and after turning it, you cover it very well. It can last for you for 6 months or above. Yes, that is why we add preservative. I add preservative so it will last for me. I don't want it to go bad. So that is why I add preservative. Add preservative, it can stay for you for 6 months or above. Whenever you want to do your formulation, that you need the hibiscus extra because hibiscus extra is very good in our body, so we can use it. Okay, all right, looking lovely and fantastic. You know, we do drink it. See, they will do drink hibiscus flower. When you make it for drink, you will drink it. But when you make it for formulation, you cannot drink it because of the preservative that is in it. So it's looking lovely and nice. Okay, so please, once again, subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.